told you once, and I'll tell you twice.
I'm sending my anointing back to the church. We hear so much on the news, God help. We hear so much on the news. We hear bad news. You read in the papers bad news. Get on Instagram, Facebook, bad news. And the question comes, is there a word from the Lord?
This is jailhouse video of pastors Cordell Jenkins and Anthony Haynes being booked into the Lucas County Jail. The pastors were arrested last week for alleged sex crimes against kids. Thursday, they'll face a federal judge.
They'll probably just stay right there. That really becomes a matter for the U.S. Marshals of where to house them. But they'll probably stay there until after, their Thursday detention hearing. Once that happens, it'll be determined whether they will be continually held or if they will be released on some kind of bond.
The documents released by the FBI detail numerous explicit sexual encounters the men allegedly had with kids. They show Pastor Haynes introduced a child identified as Juvenile 1 to several adult males. These males provided Juvenile 1 with money in exchange for sexual activity. The documents mention a woman as well as other adult males who were introduced to Juvenile 1. Could there be more arrests coming?
I can't speculate on that. It depends upon how the investigation unfolds. Again, this is an ongoing investigation, and if it leads us to additional people that need to be charged, then obviously we will work with the U.S. Attorney's Office in getting those charges.
The men allegedly had sex with their victims at local motels. Pastor Jenkins is accused of having sex in his office at the church. Court documents show FBI agents also obtained surveillance video from the Red Roof Inn of Jenkins entering a motel room and leaving about an hour later. The Red Roof Inn, also referred to as the Red Roof, sent 13 ABC this statement. This has become a police matter. Red Roof is fully cooperating with local authorities. Red Roof does not comment on ongoing police investigations. FBI agents collected evidence from the ministers' homes. They also searched Pastor Jenkins' church, Abundant Life Ministries. FBI agents say an indictment could be handed down in 30 days.
Charges could change from what they've been held on right now. There could be additional charges. There could be something that, okay, maybe this charge fits better. It could alter between now and indictment, or it could stay the same.
The evidence collected from the search warrants remains sealed. The 43-year-old former First Lady of Abundant Life Ministries is accused of obstructing a sex trafficking investigation by notifying a defendant in the case of the forthcoming investigation on March of this year. According to FBI agents, she called her husband's friend, Anthony Haynes, saying things were about to blow up. The indictment also alleges she lied to law enforcement about her knowledge of the conduct alleged indictment. FBI agents say Laura Lloyd Jenkins confronted her husband, Pastor Cordell Jenkins, at a local pizza place about the pastor allegedly paying a teen for sex. Her husband and two other pastors, Anthony Haynes and Kenneth Butler, are accused of having sex with a minor. FBI agents say the men violated the trust of a 14-year-old girl and another teenage girl. FBI agents say this conduct took place at Abundant Life Ministries in Toledo, where Jenkins was pastor at the time, the Red Roof Inn, and in Jenkins' home. He allegedly used his cell phone to record these sexual acts. He is accused of giving the victim money after the act told her not to say anything. He told her that if she said anything, it would ruin his family and his church, according to court documents. The men charged in this case are due back in court in January. Now, her was actually paying a teen for sex. Her husband and two other pastors, Anthony Haynes and Kenneth Butler, are accused of having sex with a minor. FBI, where Jenkins was pastor at the time, the Red Roof. The men charged in this case are due back in court in January. Now, her request to be released for bail was denied. She will remain locked up until she has a detention hearing next week.
I told you once, and I'll tell you twice.